Out of all the hair remedies I have used to grow my hair, this rice water is my absolute favorite because it truly works. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see by my daughter's length, her hair is healthy and strong. And when I tell you that it really seals split ends, I always had struggle ends. I used to have to trim at least every other wash day. But since using this rice water, I don't have to trim my hair nearly as often as I used to, which helps me to retain length. Okay, so these are the items we're going to be using. A strainer, rice, a mason jar, and a bowl. So let's get started. So we're going to take a half a cup of rice. And it also strengthens your hair strands. Additionally, your scalp follicles will feel healthier. Add it to a bowl. Next, we're going to give the rice a rinse. We're going to go to the sink. We are just washing the rice. So I just swirl it around in the water like so. And then I pour the leftovers back into the same jar. You can use the water that you use to wash the rice to water any plants that are in your house because of the nutrients in the water. Grab your strainer and strain your rice. Grab your mason jar and add your rice to your mason jar. I'm going to be adding 2 full cups of water. You want to use warm water to get a lot of nutrients out of the rice without actually boiling it. And now I'm adding my essential oils. Lavender, that was about 10 drops, and tea tree oil. You are going to let it ferment for a couple of days. Go ahead and close it up. You can use it for up to 2 months without it going bad, but always smell it just to make sure. And there you have it. We're using cool water